Have you ever wondered how to say, "What time is it?" Or how to answer when someone asks you, "What time is it?" Halo anak-anakku sayang, siswa kelas 7 SMP MTS di seluruh Indonesia, dimanapun kalian berada. Welcome to my channel, English Class for You. Hai anak-anakku sayang, welcome back to English Class for You with Miss Silis, your English teacher. Let's continue our lesson. Masih di chapter 0, the beginning. Di video kali ini kita akan belajar mengenai telling the time in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently tell the time in both analog and digital formats. And you'll also learn how to ask questions like, "What time is it?" and answer them easily. Ready to get started? Let's do it. What time is it? Repeat after me, please. What time is it? Great. Untuk menjawabnya, gunakan it's diikuti waktunya. For example, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. It's 2:45. It's 2:45. As we know, we have a digital and analog clock. Now let's talk about digital clock. It's so simple. You just read the numbers on the clock. This number says the hour, and this number say the minute. Dua angka pertama menunjukkan jam, dan dua angka berikutnya menunjukkan menit. For example, what time is it? It's 5:35, yang artinya jam 5:35. It's 12:12, jam 12:12. It's 10:25. Next, we're learning how to say the time of analog clock in English. Basic structure of the clock. An analog clock has 12 numbers from 1 to 12. It has hands atau jarum jam, and they are minute hands atau jarum panjang yang menunjukkan menit, and hour hand atau jarum pendek yang menunjukkan jam. And the numbers represents the hours. Ingat bahwa 1 jam itu sama dengan 60 menit. So the space between each numbers represents 5 minutes. For example, from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. From 1 to 2 is another 5 minutes, and so on. What is past and to? In English, we divide the time into 2 halves. Past for minutes after the hour, and to for minutes before the next hour. Seperti contoh sebelumnya, it's 20 past 4 and it's 10 to 4. Jadi untuk mudahnya, kita bagi 2 di angka 6 dan 12. Jika jarum panjangnya di sebelah kanan jam, kita gunakan past. Kalau sebelah kiri, kita gunakan to. For example, if the long hand point to 12 and the short hand point to 1, we say 1 o'clock. If the long hand point to 1 and the short hand point to 1, we say 5 past 1. Next, 10 past 1. 15 past 1, a quarter past 1, atau jam 1:04. 20 past 1, 25 past 1, 1, or we can say 1:30 atau jam 1:30. Nah, sekarang perhatikan areanya ya. Ada di sebelah kiri jam. Jadi kita gunakan to. We say it's 25 to 2, yang artinya jam 2 kurang 25 menit, or 25 to 2. Dari mana yuk kita dapatkan angka 25 menitnya? Angka 25 tersebut kita dapat dari 60 kurang 35 sama dengan 25. Oh ya, kemudian angka 2-nya kita dapat dari jam 1 ditambah 1 jam berikutnya, yaitu menjadi jam 2. Sampai sini paham ya? It's 20 to 2 atau jam 2 kurang 20 menit. It's 15 to, can say a quarter to 2. Next, 10 to 2. And the last is, it's 5 to 2.
Let's practice. What time is it?
It must be easy. Yes, it's 2 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 20 past 4.
What time is it?
It's 25 to 10.
Yes!
Talking about time, there is a common questions about AM and PM. AM stand for antemeridium, which is Latin for before midday atau sebelum tengah hari. PM stands for post meridium, which means after midday atau setelah tengah hari. AM digunakan untuk menunjukkan waktu dari tengah malam, yaitu jam 00 malam hingga sebelum tengah hari, jam 11:59 siang. Mudah ya. Sedangkan PM digunakan untuk menunjukkan waktu dari tengah hari, yaitu jam 12:00 siang hingga sebelum tengah malam, yaitu jam 23:59 malam. 12 AM and 12 PM. 12 AM means 12 midnight atau jam 12 tengah malam. 12 PM means 12 midday atau jam 12 siang. So, hati-hati ya kalau temanmu bilang, let's meet at 4. Jangan lupa, kamu harus tanya, AM or PM? Beda banget ya, AM and PM. Look at the zoo poster. The zoo will open at 9 AM. The zoo will close at 7 PM. Anak aku sayang, that's it for today's lesson on telling the time, both digital and analog clock. Remember, for digital clock, it just say the number. You say the hour first and then the minutes. But for analog clock, you say the minute first, then the hour. AM before midday and PM after midday. Practice is the key. See you in the next video. Congratulations!